The rich man's maid taught me. Just throw salt in the soap powder and see what happens immediately. To start this tip, I will put a tablespoon of soap powder inside a container. And also a tablespoon of salt. Tell me if you have any homemade salt cleaning tricks. Now I will add 3 tablespoons of vinegar. Guys, do it at your house and then come back here to tell me what you think. I'm sure you and your whole family will be impressed with the end result. And before I forget, tell me which city you're watching so I can send you a special hug. Today's hug goes to NASA Eric from Nigeria. I'm glad you're enjoying our tips. I will also add 3 tablespoons of alcohol. You will realize that once you start using this product, your home will be much cleaner than usual. Best of all, it is very easy to make as it uses only a few everyday ingredients. Finally, I will put 300 milliliters of water. I never had to spend more on those expensive cleaning products sold in conventional supermarkets. Instead, I just do this trick easy and fast. To facilitate your application, I will transfer all our mixture into a spray bottle. To do this, the ideal is to use a funnel. This way we will prevent the liquid from falling out. I'm sure you'll get into your routine just as you got into mine. Never again did I need to spend time and effort scrubbing those hard-to-get-out stains. And it will help you save a lot of money. Come see how easy it is to use. Here I am applying it to my toilet. Just spray some of our product on top of the dirt. I doubt you've ever done any homemade cleaning trick like this before. Everyone will ask you what is the secret to keeping your toilet so clean and stain-free. After throwing some of our product into the vase, just perform a light brushing to remove all dirt. That's the secret that day laborers use in the homes of the rich, to keep them so clean. Now you can also do yours and impress everyone. In addition to removing all impurities, this tip will also end the bad smells and unpleasant odors of your bathroom. It's really amazing how efficient this mixture is. I have no doubt that you will come back here to thank me for teaching you. After scrubbing, simply activate the flush to remove all dirt and stay with the toilet shining like new. I hope you enjoyed this tip. Thank you so much for watching this video so far. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.